Hello all. In this video, we will show our custom-developed application which demonstrates a very easy payment allocation process for multiple invoices and multi-vendor bills in Odoo. This module is designed to do payment allocation in a very simpler way for vendor bills and customer invoices. Case 1. A vendor's multi-bill payment allocation. Let's say there's a vendor called Richard Jacob, and he has two vendor bills open with us. Bill 1 is worth $180 and Bill 2 is worth $150. So, if we want to make one single payment for this vendor for both the vendor bills, we can do via our custom-developed module. Let's go through it. We go to Accounting, Vendor, Payment, and we can see a new field mentioning multi-payment for vendor, and we can select the vendor that is Richard Jacob. Once this vendor is selected, we can fetch his all vendor bill records. So as you can see, we need to pay him $150 plus $180, which is $330 in total. So we can mention the total amount, $330 here, that we are paying him. After entering the total amount, we need to add relevant allocation as bifurcation against each vendor bills. Here we can allocate full or partial against multiple vendor bills. To keep this scenario simple, we are making the full payment for both vendor bills. Once done, you can see that the remaining amount is coming to zero and full amount is being allocated to both the vendor bills. So this is a simple way in which we can do the multi-vendor bill payment allocation. Now if we see the vendor bills list view, you can see this is now coming to in payment status. That means the payment that we made has been reflected. You can also see the details of the payment has been done from the payment that we just did. Case 2. A customer's multi-invoice payment allocation. Let's say there's a customer called Kristen Jones, and he need to pay us for their two invoices worth $450 and $150 respectively. We go to Accounting, Customer, Payment, and we can see a new field mentioning multi-payment for customer, and we can define the customer here and fetch the records. Upon fetching, you can see he needs to pay us $450 plus $150, which is $600 in total. We can do the same process of allocation of $600 against this two customer invoices and save, and then confirm. So this way we can easily register the payment for multiple customer invoices. Once done, the customer invoice will also be marked as in payment. So this is a custom application that we have developed in order to simplify the process of multi-invoice or multi-vendor bills, payment, and its allocation. The payments allocation can be done full or partial particular vendor bills or customer invoices. Comment us your email ID if you're interested to buy this app. We'll get back to you. Thank you.